The video this morning is of a GMC Canyon SLT model. It is a 4x4. It has 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires on aluminum wheels in very good condition. It has steps to enter the vehicle. It has towing mirrors that are extendable, and they are power and they are heated. It has a fuel-efficient Duramax 4-cylinder diesel engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The interior is black leather. It has heated seats. It has 6-way power as well. The floor mats are the GMC WeatherTech floor mats that do an excellent job of protecting. Has separate management for braking on the towing. For driver convenience, we have a heated steering wheel. It's also tilt and telescopic. All your switches and controls are right at your fingertips, including radio features. The current mileage is 58,469, and it has the full options for the sound system, navigation, Apple CarPlay, hotspot for Wi-Fi, Android, etc. Covers all the technology issues you need. There is also an exhaust brake for better towing. There is lane deviation control, and there is also front-end crash avoidance.